this semiconductor have lots of production lines, and I'm really happy to see the capacity of a company that they're growing up to build a new self-industrial park. So that's impressive. That's one of our customer. And the next factory, we are moving to Foshan Sushunda SCM Company Limited. Welcome, Sushunda. Hello, Sushunda. Is that Debbie? Hi. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good
This
afternoon.
is Debbie.
Debbie,
Yeah.
How are you? I'm Jane. Nice to meet you.
Hello. Nice to meet you
Hello.
too.
Nice to meet you. Hi. Thank you for your patience waiting outside. And this is a factory tour. And thank you for your participation. Debbie, would you like to share a brief introduction of your company? Because you are a SCM company. It's not like a very common, and we really want to know something about your company. Thank you. Here we go.
Okay. Thank you. Actually, we established in 2003, and we are the manufacturer in Foshan. We started from the business with fixtures, which I'm holding here. I don't know if you have the brief knowing about this.
Is it the lens
products? This is a fixture, which you can assemble together with the bulb. And then together with a lamp holder, so make it a complete set. We have the factory located in Nanhai district, Danzhou, 3,000 square meter, and we have 100 workers. We have 2 production lines, and today I'm just doing this introduction as an office. So I don't have enough equipment to show you the factory as a factory tour. Thank you. And actually, we have been doing the exhibition since 2019, but during the past 2 years, we don't have a chance to go abroad to recommend our products to our customers. Actually, last time, 2020, that's the second time we're going to the Guangzhou Lighting Fair.
Oh, thank you, GILE.
Yeah. We have customers from abroad since 2019. Yeah. The best thing we got for the fair, that I think it's when we were in Dubai. The Guangzhou fair is also okay. Hong Kong fair is better. But this time it's a pity. Actually, we prepare some new products to recommend to our customer to bring to the Guangzhou fair, but suddenly it's just cancelled.
Postponed. Yes, exactly. Because the app
it's just cancelled. So on the table, this is our new products which we are going to introduce this year. So how many years do you just stay in the product of the lighting business?
You mean me?
Yes.
Less than 5 years. I'm not that old.
But that's already, that's already just longer than me.
No. It's a surprise.
Really. It's a real surprise. 3 years.
3 years. Almost the same. Similar.
Similar. But as you can see, you're already the host, so you may know more products than me. So what I know is just our products in our factory. So this is the LED COB item, and so this is a new product because of the customer replied some of the older items the price is higher, so we improve it. And so we are using the Lyouthe, this driver, this driver which can got the UL certification. And because of the fixture of this product is it's new because of the 360-degree rotation, and also this is just waterproof function.
Yeah.
Yes. So which you can put in the bathroom.
Mhm.
And we also have the heat resistant, the
Mhm.
painting on the surface. So it can be used longer, in a longer time.
Yeah.
And this is our LED module.
Yeah.
With Philips driver. So we are kind of the accessory factories, because some places they saw if they imported the full set, the tax will be higher. So they may prefer the SKT orders. So like fixtures, bulbs, and lamp holder, then to lower the tax. Last time we already have the live show for the Guangzhou fair. I mean, I remember several days ago.
7 days.
No, several, a couple of days ago. Yeah, for this Guangzhou fair to recommend our new products this year. So next, if customer have time to come to our factory, we can show to them and face to face. We already have the ISO 9001 certification, and we also have the CE certification, UL certification as AA, and now we are going to apply for the SASO and also the COC to export it to some place in Africa.
Yeah.
Because of the fixture, it's kind of accessory and components, so it's not so strict when customer import it to their company, to their factory or their country. So this is very easy to sell. No need to check about the certification of anyone. But for this LED COB item, then we need to check about the request of the destination custom, what kind of certifications they will need. So if customer is interested, they can contact us. Then we will just check about if we can send the qualified certification to them with the products. Okay. Next, this is the new items of this one because of the surface painting. As you can see, this one, this is full white, and this one with the inner, this is colorful. But this is outside the material is aluminum, and inside it's just plastic. So yeah, we can paint in different colors, like this one, shining.
Yeah.
In round and square shape. Okay. I just saw the introduction from the last supplier. They have prepared a lot of the PPT. I'm sorry, we didn't know the rules this time.
Don't worry,
so it's just kind of sudden, and just recommend some fixtures and some new products here. We didn't bring a lot. Actually, we also have the E27, which is suitable in the Southeast Asia. This is very traditional, which you can use in some like the shopping mall or your home. And this kind of design is suitable for the Western Europe. Yeah, because of the design is, and also this is a 360-degree rotation for IP65, because normally the market only have the just very simple design, flat one, IP65, but it cannot rotate it. And we now have the design of this one. So customer, we are going to recommend to some places. So we hope that from this international trade live show, customer can know what we have new here.
Yes.
And can contact us. So
yes.
Yeah, no need. Even in this various situation, they can still just have us to grow the business rapidly.
Yes. Thank you, Debbie.
Thank you.
Debbie, I really I was impressed by your first very fluent English, and second, very professional in lighting accessories industry. Although you said you only have like 3 years in lighting industry, but you have you're a master. You are in the master level in your company as a CM. Your company is majorly in accessory manufacturing, and you are quite familiar with the traditional one and why you are improving those traditional one into the newer one. And you have the advantages and the highlights of the new one. So you are quite aware of what kind of products they can sell everywhere and what kind of accessories or products they need certain certification to the according to the destination country, right? Yeah,
Yes.
Debbie, you are very professional, and
Thank you.
I think you're quite well prepared because today our lighting factory tour, they are in many different menus, many different ways. You can show your plans, you can show your presentation, and you can show your products. And I think, Debbie, you give us a very wonderful introduction.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you for your attitude, and thank you for your wonderful introduction. Thanks very much.
Okay.
Anything else you want to add today?
If we have next chance, then we will show you the factory tour to show the production, how we do the test and how we do the production and packing things. But this time, because we didn't prepare a lot, just some new samples here. And as you can see on the table, it's just fixtures and LED items. Some just, we have the certification and we also have the trademark. So if customer needs to know more things, they can, would you help us? Yeah, to let them to find us directly.
Don't worry, I will. That's what we are. That's what we service to. That's what we help manufacturer and our customers to do. We will broadcast your session, your video, and overseasly, and find the suitable buyers or who are interested in you and contact you.
Okay.
Thank you, Debbie. Okay. Thanks so much.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. See you next round. Thank you.
Okay.
Bye. Have a good day.